Hey guys, so we are back with our new video. So without any further delay, let's start this. So basically today's our video is all about all the major equipment we use in the physical examination. So we will start with this equipment. This is called pen light, and every medical student or every doctor should have pen light, must have pen light with them. So basically we use in all the examination, so we should have this equipment particularly. So our next equipment is stethoscope, and basically we use stethoscope to hear the heart valve sound and breathe sound. So this is the uses of stethoscope. So next equipment is sphygmomanometer, and which we use to take the blood pressure of the patient, and the sphygmomanometer look like this. So this is my digital sphygmomanometer, and this is cuff, and we can use with electricity and with batteries also. So this is sphygmomanometer. Okay, so our next equipment is otoscope, and basically we use otoscope to look inside the ear and the nose. Now we come on the ophthalmoscope. Basically we used to look inside the eye structure like retina and all the inside the eye structures. And the next equipment is neurohammer. Basically we used to use this equipment for reflexes in the neuro examination. And the next equipment is tuning forks. Basically we use tuning fork for ear examination and for sensory examination also. Okay guys, so this was my video, and I hope that you liked my video, and if you like it, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.